What's up, guys, and welcome to the channel. Well, guys, we're back working on the $800 Mustang GT, and in today's video we're going to be installing a new armrest pad. Now, I got this armrest pad from LMR. Now, I went to the junkyard to try to find one. I couldn't find one in good shape and everything, and I couldn't find it in my color, so went ahead, just went to LMR, spend the 60 bucks for it. Yeah, it ain't cheap, guys. And it's pretty close to original. It's a little off, not much, but you can't really tell much. And basically all you get is just your armrest pad, basically. Now, I already got this part here, so I didn't have to buy this, which was off of my parts car, which my parts car is a 96. So the way it snaps in is through a magnet on the 96, and on the 98s they snapped in with a little snap deal, which I'll show y'all here in a little bit. So yeah, even though the interiors looks the same from 94 to 2004, Ford does change things up a little bit here and there, the way things snap in, the way things plug in and stuff. So if you ever go to the junkyard looking for parts for your car, always be aware of that. The things are a little different here and there on some of them. And all we're going to need to install this, guys, is just a Phillips screwdriver. Now, this ain't going to be a hard install. It's pretty easy. Probably a lot of y'all already know how to do this probably. But we're going to go ahead and do this. So let's get to installing this, guys. Alright, guys. So there's my original one right here. You can see it's tore up there, busted and stuff. Yeah. See, the part that I got right here, the difference in it is this right here. You can see the one I got, it's got like a magnet on it, and this one has like a little snap piece that goes right there and right there. So yeah, I guess in the 98 they'd made a little difference in the way this thing snaps. Instead of with a magnet, they put like a little another thing there to snap it. So yeah, if you ever go to the junkyard looking for a part for a 98, always know they're a little different there. So yeah, guys, in order to get this off, all you got is take off these little rubber pieces here, which you got 3. 1, 2, 3 right there. And underneath these rubber pieces are some Phillips screws right there, but you just remove those 3 there, and then you just pull this out, it'll come out. And also to remove this armrest pad here, you're gonna have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Phillips screws to take that off. So yeah, basically why we gotta take this off is because we got 3 screws underneath here that we gotta take off in order to remove this whole thing off. Now, if you're just replacing the pad, all you have to do is just remove this right here. But we're replacing the pad. We're replacing the pad and the bottom piece also. So we gotta do this way. So alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these 3 screws. Get this out. Be back. Alright, guys, so I got that that piece off there. Now actually on here it was just 2 screws. The 2 up here in the front. That back piece didn't have a screw in it, just had a rubber piece covering it. So yeah, basically all I did is take those 2 screws out, pull this out, and then under here you're gonna have these 3 Phillips screws here that you got to remove in order to take that off. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those 3 screws there and be back again. Alright, guys, so I went ahead and put everything back together. As you can see here, this latch is different that I was talking about. So now mine's is not gonna latch right here. Yeah, like I said, this came off of a 96 and a 98 Ford changed the way this thing snaps in. But I'm gonna fix that by getting me probably a little magnet, something about the size of that one. Kind of glue it down on here, and that should work that. But yeah, guys, that's what it looks like basically. I mean, it's not exactly like OEM, but it'll work. This is the OEM one. See, it just wore out and had it. I just had to change it out. But it looks pretty good. It's pretty good. It's hard. It's not that soft, but it's good. So yeah, guys, if you ever need a armrest pad and y'all can't find it in the junkyard, well, LMR is selling them. Not cheap, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes when you can't find it. So alright, guys, I guess that's gonna do it with this video. Just wanted to install that in here and show y'all it. It's basically all I got going on right now. No, it ain't much, guys, but we got more stuff coming for this car. Hopefully the next video will be a little more entertainment to it. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see y'all later.